Hello everyone, Mountain RC here, and today I would like to show such a nice truck from WPL. So today we'll unbox WPL-C64-1 RTR, and it means that it's ready to run. The scale of this RC truck is 1:16, so it's pretty big if we will compare with a 124. So I would like to open it right now. I like to open new stuff actually, and especially when it's RC cars. Oh, I like this. Just to look at the color. It's not shiny and it feels really good. I like this. It's awesome. It's awesome. WPL, I like this. Look at this truck. Look at this. Look at these details. It's insane. That's why I love WPL. Actually, my two first RC cars were WPL, as you can see here and there. I love WPL because it's a real cars. Look at this suspension. Even if it's a ready-to-run RC truck, we have some stuff here. Let's put it on a truck. Our wipers already on. Finally, our truck ready. All pieces on the right spots. Here we go. There is a battery here. Ooh, I really like a color of lights in a WPL. So. Woo. Right now, just a couple cinematic shots of this little truck, and let's go outside on the rocks. And right now we are outside with our truck and there's a lot of rocks. So let's start testing this. As a result, we have such a good truck for such a good money, and if you would like to get one, there is a link below, you can get it, and there's a tons of other RC cars from WPL. Thank you so much for watching and follow for more. Have a good one.